channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. Today we are on day 5 of oatmeal week. It's our final day of oatmeal week, and we are ending on a bang, I feel like. This is a really unique way to eat oatmeal. It's trending all over the internet, basically. I think it originated on TikTok. So I'm showing you how to make blended baked oats, but I'm gonna show you a vegan version. So a lot of times they use eggs, and what I think is really great about this recipe is that it basically tastes like you're eating cake, but you're eating oatmeal, and it's just delicious. So I can't wait for you to try it. There are a ton of different ways to flavor it. I will talk about that in the video as well. So if you do want to follow along with this recipe and you want to try to make it on your own, I have linked the blog post down below for you. And if you are new around here and you enjoy videos like this, healthy recipes, healthy lifestyle advice, vlogs, etc., don't forget to subscribe. So it's really easy. You just tap that button that says subscribe right below this video. Otherwise, I think we should just go ahead and dive into our recipe and learn how to make vegan baked oatmeal. All right, so we are going to start by adding everything into our blender. First up is our liquid, which is going to be almond milk. And then we are adding half of a banana, half a cup of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of almond butter. You could also use whatever nut or seed butter you wanted. A tablespoon of maple syrup, 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of sea salt. Then just pop your lid on your blender, pop it on the base, and blend it up until it is smooth and creamy. Then remove the top and add in your chocolate chips or whatever sort of mix-ins you wanted. You could also do fresh berries or frozen berries. You could do nuts. You could do any sort of mix-ins you wanted. And then just use a spoon or spatula to just kind of like mix it into the dough. From there, we will take 2 ramekins, and I like to spray them with cooking spray, and then you are going to divide the dough in half in between the 2 ramekins. And then I love using the chocolate chips because it's just delicious, so I like to top a few extra chocolate chunks on top of the ramekin and just kind of like push them in, and you could do this with fresh fruit if you wanted as well. From there, you will pop it into your oven. You can just place the ramekins directly on the baking rack and bake it for 23 to 25 minutes until it is puffy and golden brown and kind of springy to the touch. From there, you can just remove these beautiful little cake/oatmeal cup things, and you can let them cool slightly and then dig in. I love to top mine with a little bit of extra almond butter, but again, up to you how you want to serve them. And then you will just use a spoon and eat it directly out of the ramekin. I don't like to flip them out because I find that they are a little bit sticky, so I just eat them directly out of the ramekin here. But you can see how beautiful and fluffy and delicious this is. It is honestly so good. I can't wait for you guys to try it. And there you have it, my friends. That is how to make vegan blended baked oats. And as you can tell, they are so fluffy, so yummy, and just like really, as I said, unique. Like, it's just a fun way to eat oatmeal, and it makes you feel like you're eating dessert, and it's delicious. It's really quick to make, and it's also healthy. So I can't wait for you guys to try it. If you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram using @simplyquinoa or using the hashtag simplyquinoa. As I said in the beginning of the video, this full recipe is linked on the blog, so you will find that link in the description box. And if you have missed any of our oatmeal week videos, I will link those down below for you as well, so you'll get to binge watch all of the oatmeal content your little heart desires. And I can't wait to hear and see which ones you try. I really appreciate you being here and taking time out of your day. It really does mean the world to me. Thank you. And I know I say this in every video, but I really do appreciate your time, and it means the world to me that you click on my videos rather than other things on YouTube, so thank you. If you do want to join our community, don't forget to subscribe before you go. There's a red button that says subscribe, just tap that button. Otherwise, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. Have a fabulous weekend. I hope you enjoyed oatmeal week, and I will see you next week in another brand new video. Bye guys.